So another way that Google Docs and Canvas interact is you can also, in an assignment, you can embed a Google Doc that you've created. And when the students start typing in it in Canvas, it will automatically save to their Google Drive and they can submit right from there, but still have that copy. So you're going to create an assignment, which I've already done, and I'm going to open it up and I'm going to edit it, and you'll change your settings just like you do. You can choose your due date, you can include instructions, you can create points, all that stuff you need to do, whatever you would normally do. And so I'm just going to make it 6 points. And the important part is you're going to come down here to submission type and you're going to choose external tool. And you're going to click on find and you're going to choose Google Docs Cloud Assignment. So if you've already linked your Google Drive to your Canvas page, then you'll have this. And then you go and find the assignment. So here's my assignment and I'm going to hit submit. And then I'm going to choose Google Docs Cloud Assignment, and I've chosen that, so now I'm going to hit select, and I'm going to come down here and I'm either going to choose save and publish or save. So I'm going to hit save and publish, and then I'm going to show you can view the assignment. And you can see that this is what students are going to see. And the second they start typing in here in Google Doc, they can edit it, and it will save.